Hello, I was at the JAX conference in Munich a couple of days ago, and there Toni Epple did a very interesting session called Fun with JShell. And he introduced the Java 9 JShell and discussed it, and also at the end showed integration with NetBeans. But he did a very interesting demo that I don't think anyone has ever seen before, and I've managed to reproduce it with quite some help from Toni. The steps involved in setting this up are a little bit complex, but I want to first of all show the outcome. Now what I have here is a small Java Swing application, the anagrams game that comes with NetBeans, and it's up and running. And what I'm now going to do is go to the Run menu and choose Open Java Shell for Project, which means that the classes available on the class path are from the project, as you can see here. So we have here the very usefully information telling us which classes are available, and these are the classes from this running game. And therefore I can type, for example, anagrams, because I know that's the name of one of the classes. So con.toy.anagrams. This is a package from that build folder here. And so I get the import statement, and I know that I have an instance of anagrams available in there. And also I have made the two buttons that you see here, guess and new word. I've made them public, which means I can access them from the code completion here, from the instance. And now I can call methods on that button. And that button is up and running and live in my application. So now I've typed hello world here. So when I press enter, and I don't need a semicolon, what that means is that this this text that's live in the application should change. So take a look. And that's pretty cool. I can script using JShell directly against a running Java Swing application. That's amazing. And how this is done is via a number of different steps. So here is my application. I go to Properties, and I go to the Run section here. And here you can see Enable JShell Access. And there's a variety of different options and ways in which you can set up the class loader to access the running application. But this is the important part that you need to set up in order to be able to do this. And also you need to, first of all, as a quick workaround, execute Java shell from here. And after you've done that, run the JShell from this point, not from here, because if you run JShell from here, you get the global JShell for the entire class path, including the JDK, but not including the classes from this actual project. So you need to open Java Shell for the project. This is very important. And then you will have this little window that you see here, which gives you access to the classes of the running project. Now, probably you're wondering which of the NetBeans releases you need to be able to do this. And what I'm using is simply Apache NetBeans. So go to github.com/apache/incubator-NetBeans, do a git clone, run ant, and you will have the NetBeans that I have running. You can include the dark look and feel, you can include whatever you like. There's also a convenience build. So if you go to build.apache.org/job/incubator-netbeans-linux, you will see there's a zip file that you can download, which contains the binary. And this runs on Linux, Windows, Mac OS X. Start up NetBeans, and you can do what I just showed you. Use JShell to script Java Swing live.